What activity have you enjoyed the most today?
I like the Lego Spike activity
Yeah, why do you like that?
because you got to do the coding and to see what the Lego did.
I did the pharmacy innovation, and that was able to show me what sort of modifications there were for kids.
I did the dark matter and exploring what it is and what it's about.
And what do you like about that?
I really liked how they're naming it, which is WIMPs, and how they're trying to find out here on Earth, which is like going through crystals and stuff.
Making the wind turbines,
Yeah, what did you love about that?
because we got to be creative and we got to test and see how much energy we got from them.
We did the sponge boat sailing.
We did. She
I
didn't.
did the robotic Indigenous language tour.
And what was involved with that?
To code this Spike robot to go around a map and collect these little blocks from the Indigenous places in Tasmania.
I like the science and the technology.
I enjoy being able to put it into action from the science classroom.
I love the creativity and being able to explore all different types of things.
I guess there's always something that you haven't learned yet. There's always something you can learn, and there's no ending to, because science, technology, engineering and math, there's always something that you will probably not know you can explore.
Yeah, because it's really exciting and you get to learn new stuff.
And which of the STEM letters is your favourite?
Technology.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
love technology.
I like that there's different challenges and it's not like one time we did like making a tower out of toothpicks. That wasn't like easy, it was like hard and it was challenging, and I like that it like challenges you to do fun activities.